Hi everyone, this is Alex Sen again with Orkiv. Today, as we log in here, I'm going to go through the website builder for Orkiv. So as you can see, right now we're currently in Anthony's Jewelers, and if you go ahead and press build, you're going to see the page that you currently already have up and running. So this is going to allow us to get an instant preview here. We can go to theme settings, and this is where you're going to apply a different theme to how you want to use Orkiv. This theme here is precision, and so the precision theme allows you to come in here, adjust the bar color and font colors. And it also allows you to have a post title and description. If we come into boutique, there's a different set of adjustments, though they're not set up for this theme yet. So we'll have that there very soon. Now if we can go back here, we'll go into the page. So as you can see here, we have several elements in this home page. Some things that you're going to want to be aware of. This is where you actually label the page. So as you can see, the home, about diamonds, and contact us, those are all changed from this box right here. So those are basically essentially the tabs at the top of the page. Now down here we can see all of the components that we currently have available, and if you come in here you can begin to edit stuff. So as we can see, when you highlight text, this editor bar is going to come up. So we can adjust the font color here, we can adjust headers here, so we can put a different label on that as far as different headers if we want. Now the headers have pre-assigned text size, they have pre-assigned fonts, and they will appear different than other text. So these are mainly for like they said, just headers or a new paragraph image. So if we highlight a different section, I'll show you, you can put in links, and so if we want to put in a link there, we can pop up and link to orkiv.com. So if you could just go ahead and press enter, that's going to go through as orkiv.com. Underline, strike through, bold, italic are all there. You can put numbers, bullet points. This here, the pencil, is going to actually adjust the background image of that section there. So that's how you can go in and adjust the background image. And obviously that doesn't look very good, but you can go in and adjust the background image. This up here will adjust again the background image of that box. So if we wanted to keep that, okay, we'd go in and do that. So I am not going to save that. We'll get out, and if we can see under about diamonds, this is just some filler text here. So why don't we start playing around with some of the components. So as you can see, the different components are here. We have image, basic paragraph, paragraph side image, large text banner. Let's go ahead and put a large text banner. Alright, so as we can see, if we come in here, this is not very clear right now. So what we can do is highlight. We'll change the background color here to black, and there we go. Okay, so that's the large text banner. You can also go in here, you can change the font family. So let's say we want to make it Palatino and large font. Okay, so that's gonna edit. This is universal, so any text that you're editing, you can come right up here and change the font family or the size. So if we go back and highlight this, I just want to show you the difference between the actual headers. So let's say we'll make it H4 header. It's going to adjust the widths. It's going to adjust the height of the text. As you can see, as we adjust them more and more here, it'll do different things. So we'll leave that. Now let's go to a database item. So as you'll see, you can set up incentives and prizes and have products. Now if we have an incentive, if we have any current incentives going on, any promotions, they'll show up here and you'll be able to choose them and implement them into the system itself. Now here we can actually add columns. Let's say we want to add a 3 column. It's going to just pop up column and a text field. Very simple, just to be able to break up where your text fields are going. As far as web application, the newsletter is going to be an area that will appear on your website that will give users the chance to sign up with their name, email, and it'll go directly into your database so that when you are sending out emails, it'll go straight. It'll add that person and automatically send it out to them for the future. The catalog is a way for you to showcase some of your products that you have in your inventory. So if you insert catalog, it'll take the 3 featured items that you have in your inventory and it'll showcase them on your website. And the social component here is if you go here and update, share a status, it's going to show that in the social component. So let's add the social component. It won't look like much here. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this and save that. So when we go ahead and build this on the About Diamonds page, now we see the social component. So that has been shared previously. As you can see, We Buy Gold, Camellia, those will then appear here. So you'll be able to see Alex and Ani, there's the Camellia, and We Buy Gold. Okay, so you can see how the social component fits into that. Let's go back in here and we'll take a look at the newsletter component. So now that we have that in there, we'll go ahead and press save, close out of this, and build. And now under the About Diamonds page, we have the newsletter. So you can see email address, first name, click join, and it's going to add it to your database. So you always want to press the build after you've done a new adjustment that you want to publish to the web. Now under create, we can create a new page name. So we'll title this About Us. And let's say we want to make it a new page. Press create. It's going to come there so you can start editing it. And just so you can see, there's our new page, About Us. Now let's say that currently the layout on the website is going to be About Us, Home, About Diamonds, and Contact Us. So we'll see that. So About Us, Home, About Diamonds, Contact Us, and Sign In. So if we do not want to have the About Us page there, what we're going to do is click on this, drag it below Home. We're going to press Build, and as you'll see, those have now adjusted themselves so that you can have the order that you want. Now if we want to just go ahead and delete the page, we can go in and simply press delete. Great. Okay, so now if we want to make a sub page, so we'll have the same page, but we'll make it a sub page of the Contact Us page. We're going to go ahead and create that. Again, it's going to bring you to a page builder. And what we can do is now see that there, Contact Us is now a sub-page, About Us is now a sub-page of Contact Us. So if we go there, if we press Build, now we're going to see the sub-page, which won't have anything on it. But you can see how you can go ahead and make new pages very easily, fit them under additional pages, and go from there. So that's going to do it right now for our website builder. And please stay tuned. We're going to have many more coming up here as time goes on.